Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about why is cleansing, toning, moisturizing so important? A lot of you guys have asked me, is it necessary to really cleanse my face with a cleanser every day, to use a moisturizer every day, or to use a toner every day? So today I'll talk about why is it so important to follow a CTM routine every single day in our climate. So a lot of people don't understand what CTM is, and it's totally fine. Now, what is CTM? It's cleansing, toning and moisturizing. It is an essential part of our daily skincare routine. So you need to choose the right kind of products according to your skin type. So for that, you will have to visit a dermatologist, a skin specialist who will exactly know what your skin needs. So recently I got my skin checked by Saturn by GHC, and I have been using their products since a couple of weeks now. They have the option of this amazing free consultation, and you just need to visit their website. I'll mention the link in the description box below, and they will suggest the right products according to your skin type, your requirements. And healthcare professionals are also available for queries related to diet, your lifestyle, in case you have any questions related to that. So today I'll be using Saturn by GHC products. So here's the box, and this is what the box looks like. It's in pink and white. It's mentioned Saturn by GHC, and they deal with all of these stuffs like hair, skin, weight loss, menstrual health, PCOS. In case you're wondering what GHC stands for, it stands for Good Health Company. And this is what the inside looks like. I've got my bill. In this box, I've got two products. I've got this Saturn by GHC foaming face wash, and I've also got this Saturn by GHC alpha arbutin serum. For the face wash, they've also given me a cap. And now let me show you what I got in the other box. In this box, I've got the Saturn by GHC face toner. I'll use all these products today, and I'll show you individually how each one of these work. So now coming back to CTM, the environment pollution is increasing day by day, and it's very important every day to cleanse your face, because it removes all the dust stuck in our face, all the pollution particles, so it avoids acne and breakouts. So this was the work of the cleanser. Now what does a toner do? Toner gently revitalizes the skin and helps the skin to maintain the pH balance, and it preserves the natural moisture of the skin. Now what about the moisturizer? Moisturizer nurtures and moisturizes the skin, leaving the skin hydrated. We're using laptops, we're using mobiles every single day, all day, which is causing digital aging, and our skin needs more care. Now keep this in mind that our skin also changes its texture, causing breakouts because of stress. So every single day, twice a day, CTM is absolutely necessary. It helps to keep visible signs of aging away from your skin. So no matter what your skin type, CTM is absolutely necessary. So now let's talk about the benefits of CTM. It conditions your skin and tightens the open pores that you have, which might lead to breakouts. It removes any kind of makeup residue that you might have, dirt, pollutants. It helps maintain healthy skin pH. It replenishes your skin's moisture and nourishment needs, and it delays the visible signs of aging on your skin. So now that we've covered the benefits of CTM, let's start with cleansing. Cleansing is basically skin cleaning. It's important to remove any kind of dirt from your face. Cleansing also makes sure that your pores are not clogged. So I'll use the Saturn by GHC foaming face wash. It's got tea tree and essential oil blends which treat acne, sun damage, sunburns, pimples, acne scarring. It also relieves skin inflammation and any kind of redness. It's got niacinamide, it regulates oil production, and it does not dry out the skin, and it calms down any kind of redness or any kind of skin irritation that you might have. Aloe vera extract removes excess oil, dirt and pollutants from the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, so it reduces inflammation, sunburns and reduces scarring. It's got rose oil which improves the texture of your skin and fights against aging and dry skin. We all know that orange peel and lemon extract, they promote healthy skin. It removes excessive oil and reduces dark spots. I love that it smells so medicated. So I take a small amount of the foaming face wash and gently massage onto my face, and then I rinse off thoroughly. This is an exfoliating face wash. It's suitable for all skin types, and I started seeing visible results in just 7 days. It also comes with a cap to protect the head. Next step is the toner. This is a very important step which most of us skip or ignore. So what does a toner do? A toner restores your skin's pH. Now we all do pH. Now what is pH? It's percentage of hydrogen. Toners help in keeping pimples away and clears out the blemishes. So today I'm going to use the Saturn by GHC toner. It has a bunch bunch of great ingredients like niacinamide, which has anti-hyperpigmentation properties, and it gives a clear, lighter and brighter look. Next is polyhydroxy acids, or popularly known as PHA, which improves skin texture and enhances the quality of your skin. It is also an excellent exfoliant and helps in eliminating the dead skin cells. This has also got cucumber extracts, which hydrates and soothes the skin. It decreases puffiness and irritation and treats redness, sunburn and tanning. It's also got hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it is amazing at unclogging the pores. This is paraben-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free and cruelty-free. So what I do is, after I cleanse my face and pat it dry, I take the toner and put it on the cotton pad and I apply it all over my face and neck. You may now apply a serum or a moisturizer or a sunscreen to lock in the moisture and keep your skin hydrated and free from sun damage. Also keep in mind that the face toners should always be used first. Before you apply anything else on your skin, it just tones your skin and preps up your skin for the other skin products that you might use. Now the last step is the moisturizer or serum. Now this is the most important step. Even if you have oily skin, you should not skip moisturizing. You just should use the right product for your skin type. Using the right moisturizer not just keeps your skin moisturized, but it will also help in dealing with your skin concerns like pimple scars or dryness or anti-aging. Moisturizer also makes your skin glow. I use the Satin by GHC Alpha Arbutin Serum. The texture is runny and liquidy and the fragrance is so fresh. I love the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle. It reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So since I have hyperpigmentation around my forehead, so I was suggested this product. It's got alpha arbutin, which decreases the visibility of sunburn, tanning and dark spots. It lightens sunspots and reduces the visibility of acne scars, and it balances out the skin's complexion. It's got kojic acid, which lightens noticeable sun damage, age spots and scars, and is an excellent exfoliator. It's also got aloe vera extract, which has hydrating properties and can help relieve dry and itchy skin. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and reduces any kind of redness or inflammation. Also hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum on the entire face and neck, massage gently in circular motions until the skin absorbs the serum. After this, I apply a moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated because my skin is extremely dry. Also, I've started seeing changes and reduction in the pigmentation around my forehead, and I have just been using these products for about 10 days. Now, everybody's skin does not react the same way depending on your skin's concern. You should use these products for at least 1 to 2 months. Now that you know what and how a CTM routine works, I'm sure you're going to give your skin all the love and care it needs. The skin is the largest organ, and looking after your skin is very, very crucial. So listen to its needs and pick your products and add a skincare regime accordingly. I hope you guys enjoyed this educational type of video. I did this video because many of you guys were confused about CTM, whether you should follow it regularly or not. So I thought of doing a detailed video and helping you guys out. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you aren't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. Also comment down below what kind of educational video you want me to do next. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.